How to make a video your alarm on iPhone. Ringtones and alarms on the iPhone use the M4R audio format. If you already have an alarm tone in an M4A format, you can change the extension to make it compatible with your iPhone alarm. Apple ringtones and alarms are identified by the operating system because of the extension used. Changing the extension from M4A to M4R doesn't change the quality of the ringtone or alarm. Additionally, when creating an alarm, you must make sure the audio file doesn't exceed 30 seconds, since only the first 30 seconds are available to your phone or alarm application. For longer alarms, select a song from your music library directly within the alarm settings on your iPhone. Create an alarm with iPhone voice memos. Step 1. Tap the Voice Memos app on your iPhone to make an alarm tone by recording audio. Step 2. Tap the record button and begin recording the sound you want for your ringtone. Make sure it doesn't exceed 30 seconds in length. Tap the stop button when finished recording. Step 3. Tap the speaker icon and press the right arrow next to your recording. If you need to trim the recording, tap the Trim Memo option and use the sliders to select the beginning and end of the audio you want to cut. Step 4. Tap Share and select Email to send the audio file to your computer by entering an email address and pressing Send. Select the recording from your email message, right-click the attachment and select Save as to save it to your computer. Change the extension to .m4r and click the Save button. Sync and select an alarm tone on your iPhone. Step 1. Launch iTunes by clicking the Windows Start menu and typing iTunes into the search field. On a Mac, click the iTunes icon in the dock. Step 2. Drag the audio file you saved to your computer into the main iTunes window. Step 3. Click the Tones tab and select the Sync Tones checkbox. Click Apply or Sync to send the alarm tone to your iPhone. Step 4. Tap the Clock app on your iPhone and create an alarm by clicking the plus button and setting the time options. Tap Save to save your alarm. Step 5. Tap the Sound option in the Add Alarm settings and select your alarm tone from the list of ringtones. If you created an alarm, change the file name to the M4R format and sync with iTunes. The alarm will appear in your list of ringtones. Alternatively, select Pick a Song from the Song section and select a song from the songs available on your iPhone. Tap back after previewing your alarm and tap Save to set the alarm. Thanks for watching.